Alright, so this is just one of the ClickBank checks that recently came. This one is for $10, which I know is like super little, but just keep watching, listen. This one right here is for $22, and this one right here is for $367. Now, the reason why I'm showing this to you is because I want to show you a method that's not going to make you 10k, but it could help you get your first $500. Now look, I know this is like super little money, but I know a lot of you guys have actually been asking me to make you a video that shows you how to make at least your first 500, like minimum. One, this method is not that hard, but two, even if you are a dum-dum, you should be able to do this. Now listen, if any time throughout this whole video you see something that's actually a bit confusing, just realize like, who's the one that's confused? It's not you, it's just your brain. So you're not the brain right now. In this video, you're not the brain. Just keep focusing, and everything I'll show you, make sure to actually go and do it. Because remember, $500 or $300 is not a lot. For me right now, this is just paying for my gym membership, but I know a lot of you guys, it's actually going to help you just at least get a taste of online money. So the method is like this, how to make your first $500, and we're going to be using AI, by the way. So the first thing is to find an affiliate offer that allows brand bidding. I'll show you how to do that, even if you're confused. Remember, just don't worry, keep watching. And then create a bridge page. Still, even if you're confused, forget the confusion. And then run Google Ads at $5 a day. Now, the reason I'm saying $5 a day is because eventually for a whole month, you're going to be spending around $150 per month, because when you start spending the $5, you should be getting some sales from it, which means by the end of it, if you are making $500 in revenue, you should be able to at least keep $350 in profit. Now, this type of method is one of those where you actually just do the work for one day, and then the rest of the month, you're actually done. There's no more work to do. Which is why I love it, and which is why I'm saying this is not that hard. Like right now, I truly believe like my gym membership is just free. So the first thing we'll do is go on ClickBank. Now listen, you can actually use ClickBank, or you can use any other affiliate marketplace for this method. The only reason why I'm showing you ClickBank is just because it's one of the most popular ones. Now once you're here, click on Marketplace, and then click on this button right here, and then when you're here, basically sort everything from gravity high to low. Now I showed all of this to you like back in the day, but still, it's the same methods, like nothing's really changed. Now you see this one right here is actually one of the best offers right now, which is pretty interesting. It's actually a new one. And you see like all these offers right here. Now the point is for you to find an offer that allows you to do brand bidding. So the way to find an offer that allows brand bidding is basically, for example, let's just see if this offer has it. Click on the affiliate page, and then once you're here, try to scroll down until you find like either the terms of service or you find like the rules, right? So this offer right here tells you that affiliates are forbidden to run ads on Google AdWords, which basically means you can't even run any Google ads on this, which is it's pretty annoying actually. But this is what we're looking for here. Affiliates running PPC, you can't really do that. So you're not allowed to run PPC ads, which means you can't really do brand bidding. But this freaking offer, apparently you can't even do Google Ads, which just means like, forget this offer, man. But for example, we keep scrolling down and it's like this one, I've already seen this one. It's one of those like weight loss offers. They also don't allow brand bidding. I noticed most weight loss offers, they don't allow brand bidding for some reason. I don't even know why, man. But you keep going down and then we reach this offer right here. So this one is actually my favorite just because this one, I've been getting the most commissions from this one right now. So if you click on the affiliate page and then you just go down, like try to find the rules. So they don't have the rules here, which means you actually have to like sign up. So click here to access affiliate tools. And then once you scroll down, you should be able to find something at least. Do not put your affiliate hop link directly on your Facebook ad. Do not link on the order form unless it was discussed with us. And then do not attempt to misrepresent as the owners of Vault DNA. Which basically means they're not talking about anything that says you're not allowed to do brand bidding. So this offer right here is good. And by the way, like I know a lot of you guys say it's like, oh, most offers don't accept brand bidding. That's not right, bro. Most offers actually do accept brand bidding. And you can use multiple affiliate marketplaces. Don't just limit yourself to only ClickBank. There's a lot more than just ClickBank, by the way. So now that we found the affiliate offer that allows us to do brand bidding, let's just say we're going to be creating a bridge page for that affiliate offer, which is the wealth manifestation one. Now listen, I usually say if this video was sponsored, I would tell you to use a specific tool to allow you to make a website. But right now, this video is not sponsored by anything, which means, Habibi, don't worry about which tool to use to make a website. You can use any of them. You can use all of them if you want. The one I prefer, so one of them is called GemPages, another one is called TypeDream. Even WordPress, bro, even WordPress works. Try to find any tool that can actually make you a website, and if you're comfortable with it, go and use it. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using TypeDream, just because, I don't know, TypeDream has just been my favorite so far. And you can use the free version. You don't even have to go and pay for the paid version. You can actually just use the free one. So right here, I already made you a page, just so I can show you like exactly how to do it, because I didn't want to like do it live with you. That's gonna take way too long. But this right here is an example of a page that you can actually just literally take and run on Google Ads, and you'll see commissions from it, inshallah. But look, this one says, discover how you can activate your wealth DNA to attract money effortlessly. And then you go down and it's like this This picture right here, I basically took it from the affiliate offer themselves. All you gotta do is just basically like copy this link right here and then go and paste it. And then once you're on the actual video sales letter, click here and then you'll see like the entire video sales letter. So what I do is that basically I go down. I'm like, where is the product, man? Where is this freaking product? So keep scrolling down until you actually find it. So it's basically right here. Take this picture, download it, and then go here and then just basically stick it in. Now look, because we're doing brand bidding, it means that whoever is actually going to come on our page, they're already aware of this exact product, which means like you don't have to do a lot of selling, which is why I basically love this method, like especially for beginners. Like you guys, you don't even have to do a lot of selling. So basically just put like a nice headline, put the actual picture of the books right here, put the actual offer, like put the bonuses. So for example, one of the bonuses is this book right here, another one is this book right here, and then another one is this book right here. And then basically I took this guarantee, money back guarantee from the actual video sales letter page. Now some of you are going to be like, okay, but we don't even know how to write stuff. We don't know how to write this. We don't know how to write this. Okay, that's fine. The solution to that is go on ChatGPT. So basically I told it, you are a copywriting expert. Please create a headline for a product that can, so this whole text right here, all I did is just I found the portion of the text sales letter right here where they were actually describing the whole product. So here they were like, it's the only audio track that can blah, 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 all these freaking things. And then basically I copied it and pasted it right here. And then ChatGPT was like, unlock your wealth DNA, effortlessly attract abundance with NASA's secret soundtrack, which I actually like. So you can pretty much like cut this whole thing, delete it, and then add the one from ChatGPT. I truly think the one from ChatGPT was actually a lot better. But anyway, so you get the idea, right? And then for example, it's like, you're probably wondering what the wealth DNA code is and all that stuff. Okay, well this one's actually pretty funny because this one, I took all of it exactly from the actual sales letter right here. So I'm just trying to like work hard. I mean, work smart, not hard. So right here where it says get instant access, this is where you actually want to put your affiliate link. And then for those of you who don't know how to get your affiliate link, so you see how this is right here, like wealth manifestation is right here. Click on promote, and this is your nickname account. So basically click on create hop link, and you'll have your affiliate link. So basically, go here and stick your affiliate link right here. Like this is where you do it right here. So basically click on edit and then just paste it right there. It's not that hard, habibi. And then once that is done, just basically talk about the bonuses, because once again, those people that are actually coming on your page, they already know about the offer. Like you don't have to come and like sell them again. Just basically give them the exact offer and you should be done. So like here are some of the bonuses you'll get today, like all these bonuses, and then like a money back guarantee. And then basically here, try to put like the links for your privacy policy and your terms of service. If you don't know how to do that, go on ChatGPT and then tell it, make me a page for a terms of service, and then copy everything ChatGPT gives you and stick it in TypeDream. If you don't actually do that, I don't think Google Ads is actually going to accept your ad, because they're going to be like, oh, it's basically an incomplete website because you don't have like your legal pages and all that stuff. But then once you're done with this, like, look, this is actually, it's like super simple, very simple. Just click on publish and you should be done. Just take the link when you actually make the page and then go and put it on Google Ads. Now to put it on Google Ads, if you've never actually made a Google Ads account, that's actually a good thing, because right here it says to help you get started with Google Ads, we'll give you 600 Canadian dollars in free ad credit. Now this one only comes if you actually spend $600. If you're spending $600, that actually means that you're making money back. No one's ever gonna go and spend 600 if they're not making money back. Only DumDum's gonna go and do that, man. Now once you are in Google Ads, click on new campaign, and this is where you're going to be actually creating your whole campaign. Now, I've actually went over this so many times, so this right here should not be something new. This is just simple stuff right here. So click on this button right here, and then click on search, and then for this one, just forget about this one, click continue, and then name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Testy. Now here, click on conversions, and then click on clicks. So I would actually set a maximum cost per click bid limit. Now, if we're going to be doing brand bidding, that means that whatever keyword we'll be targeting is a keyword that if someone actually clicks on it, like if they click on your ad, they're more likely to buy, which means this keyword is expensive. It's not cheap, but still, it doesn't mean that you're going to be paying a lot of money. So what I would do is I would actually start at $1.5, or if you're like super scared and all that stuff, just start at $1, man. Me personally, I would do 1.5. And then click on next, and then here, just uncheck this one, and then uncheck this one. I used to check this one, but now I stopped. And then make sure it's only English, and then for locations, enter another location. So this is where we just do the big 5. Like there's no need to overcomplicate this. Just do Canada and everything else. So Canada, US, and then Australia, and then obviously the United Kingdom. And then if you want to put New Zealand, you can do it too. But that's it, like this is literally the big 5. But then when you're here, click on locations options, and then just basically click on this. Once again, I actually forgot why I do this. It just became habits. I don't even know why I do certain things anymore. Forget everything else, just click on next. Now for the keyword, this is where you want to put the actual name of the affiliate offer. And if you already forgot that, we'll just go back to the affiliate page, and it says right here, Wealth DNA code. So we're just gonna go back and we'll put square bracket. So we'll put Wealth DNA code, and then we'll do this one, Wealth DNA code. So this one just means if anyone searches up for the exact keyword that says Wealth DNA code, you want to show up. For this one, it says if they search up for like Wealth DNA code and then blah blah blah, you still want to show up. Now this is where you want to put the actual URL of the page that you made in TypeDream or whatever website tool that you used. It doesn't have to be TypeDream. Now for this one, I would just say Wealth DNA code. For this one, I would be like Wealth DNA code, just because the first one you want to actually put the exact keyword, so whoever searches it up, they would know that your ad literally contains Wealth DNA code. And then for the second one, I would be like, get your Wealth DNA code ebook. And for this one, I'd be like, for only $47. I think that was the price actually. Limited time offer. Oh man, that doesn't allow. Okay, so I'll just delete the word for. No need for. And then for the description, I don't like to complicate this. So honestly, what I would do is just go back here and then see what did I actually write on the actual page. So I'd be like, it's the only audio track, blah, 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 all this part. Okay, so I would actually just take this, copy it, and I would go back here and put it. So if it's too long, okay, I just gotta fix it. So for example, get this thing out of here, and this should be it. Like, this is literally what I would do. Like, honestly, before, I used to overcomplicate all this stuff, but now I'm just like, why am I overcomplicating everything, man? And then for this one, maybe I would just take this exact sentence, and then go back to Google Ads, and then just put it in. Again, like, don't overcomplicate stuff. Okay, so it says 91 instead of 90. Okay, I'll just delete the period. And I'm done. That's it, man. Now, for the images, remember, you've already downloaded the images from the actual affiliate offer. So just come here and stick them in. And then for the site links, you want to also do this one. So basically click on site links. So you'd see it's like, I used to say activate Wealth DNA code, or like for another product, I was like get Air Fountain, because it was another product, for only $39. Discover how to build Air Fountain special. Like, just basically say stuff, okay? Say stuff. Proven audio track to activate DNA like nothing like it on the planet, and stuff like that. You want to make sure you actually put this, okay? And then for this one, click on more assets, and you want to fill all the stuff out, except for like calls, or like apps, or like promotions, or like lead forms, but everything else, like you want to actually fill it out. And you might find that you're actually being repetitive, but that's okay, like that's Google Ads. And then once you're done, click on done, and then click on next, and you should have your ad ready. And then right here, they're going to ask you for a budget. So once again, honestly, this just depends on you. If you're a bit scared and stuff, okay, just put it at like $5. It's okay. But if you want to see like super fast results, okay, like personally, I would do like 20 or even 30, but just put whatever you're actually comfortable with. And then once you're done with that, click on next, and you should be good. Like, honestly, Habibi, this is the method. Like, this is the whole method. Once again, it is easy, but because this is like way too easy, you might not be making like 10K a month. You won't be making 10K a month with this. Now, if you want to actually start making 10K a month with this is where you need to actually start doing ads that are not just about brand bidding. Like, as you can see here, these are all ads that are only for Wealth DNA code. So what we're supposed to do, if we actually want to scale this and you want to reach bigger numbers, is forget Wealth DNA code. We could just say Wealth Manifestation. And then here at the top of the page, this is where you can come and put your ad, and you'll see like this is how you actually scale it. Now, one other thing with this is that you can't just come here and then use the same exact page as you made right here, because this page is only targeting people that know about this exact offer. So if you want to target people who don't know about this exact offer, well, you want to make a page that actually talks to them like they don't know the offer. And in this case, you would come in and just talk to them about the big idea, which is attracting money using a method that only NASA knows about, or like a NASA soundtrack. So this is how you scale one offer. But if you want to scale multiple offers, well, okay, just go back to ClickBank and scroll through all this right here and find offers that allow you to do brand bidding and do the same exact thing with them using the same ad account. So that's how you scale like horizontally. But to scale vertically, we'll just take one offer and create multiple pages on it that talk to different people. But yeah, honestly, this method is not that hard. Like, I just showed you like the super easy path to start doing this method, which is basically find an offer and then run it on Google Ads. And again, the only reason why I love this method is because once you actually put an offer up on Google Ads and you start getting sales, like, you're done. You don't really need to do anything else. Like, I would have one of these open for a whole month and I would forget about it. And then just like my gym membership money just comes in just like that. And by the way, one more thing. You know, like when you buy like those affiliate marketing courses, listen, whenever you buy an affiliate marketing course, you'll always see a method that's outdated, which is why now they're making a course. Because whoever is actually used that method, now they're making a course to teach the method that they used back in the day. So most methods, they're not recent methods. They're not methods that you can use and then actually make money with right now. But this exact method right here, like, Habibi, if we go back right here, you could see like this person is doing it, this person is doing it. Well, I think this is the actual offer, but like all these people are doing it. And this person right here, they're using a sites.google.com page. They're not even using like an actual tool that allows you to make websites, which means honestly, like you don't even need to make, like you can see it right here. Like honestly, it just means you don't even need to make, like you don't even have to use TypeDream. You can just use sites.google.com. And then you go down, it's like all the same stuff, which is, it's just beautiful. Like this method, it's not that hard, habibi. But yeah, I hope this whole video was helpful. This should help you get your first $500 if you haven't already.